Hi friends, today we are going to unbox 3M stainless steel primary molar crown kit, and as and when we are unboxing it, I am going to tell you 3 most important points as why you should have these crowns in your pediatric dental practice for the best treatment of children. So the first important point about the stainless steel crown is that there is no other restoration that has the ease of use, durability and reliability as of these full coverage stainless steel crowns for primary teeth. So the first thing when we open up the box is this is the product catalog or the crown product information that is there in this book. The second thing that we see over here is this is the order form whenever the crowns are being used. So at the time we need to order, we can simply order by using these leaflets over here. So now coming to the second most important point about stainless steel crown is that they have the best anatomy and marginal integrity. Now this marginal integrity leads to best of retention, which ultimately leads to the greater durability and reliability. So now when we open up the box of stainless steel crown, what we see is a set of 96 crowns are there. So these are divided into 4 quadrants and each quadrant has different sizes like from 2 to 7 as you can see over here, and are divided into left and right as in the mouth, and there are 2 sets like for the first primary molar and for the second primary molar. So when we see these crowns, as you can see over here, these crowns are prefabricated, so they are in the best anatomical form. Now what you need to do is you need to just pre-trim it or contour it according to the tooth that you desire to place it on. So now coming to the third and the most important point about stainless steel crown is that they show biomimesis, that is restoring the tooth to its proper form, function and purpose in the most biologically acceptable manner. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.